everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. I'm so excited. We're actually going, tonight is the parade and then tomorrow's the festival. So it should be a really fun time. We're not going to make it to the parade but definitely the festival is what counts too. So should be a lot of good shows. I know Lizzo's performing here, but you have to have tickets, so I'm not really concerned. But I love Lizzo, no shade. But yeah, it should be a really fun time. We're going with my fiance and her dad and his husband and our kids, and all my Twisted Sisters are going to be there with us. Well, we're all going to be collectively there together. So it's going to be a really good time. But today, because of Pride Month, I wanted to go ahead and do a rainbow look. So I've done that. And I'm going to do some more Pride looks for this month because it's still kind of early and there's a lot of festivals that go on. Everybody has one, every city pretty much. And tonight's mine, tomorrow. But anyway, so we're just really excited for Pride and to do these looks because I did get the Morphe palette. Now I did use it. I just used it, so it's open. But I didn't get to review it, but I am going to do a review on it as well. And I kind of reviewed it while I was doing my makeup. But so if you want to know how I achieved this look, this very I fell in love with it, but this very fun and festive look, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear any feedback from you guys. And without further ado, here we go. So I'm going to put my whole reactions in there so people can see my actual reactions. Oh, look at healing. That's pretty.
I've been what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me. Put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can do. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you.
Did you see a lot? You don't care.
What am I seeing?
I like color in there, bro. Too tightly, afraid to lose control. Cause everything that you thought I would be is falling apart right in front of you. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can do. I've become so numb, I can't feel you. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more That was a process to get that to fucking blend, bro. Ooh, this is crazy. Wait for it. Okay. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad. Nope. I am not mad.
I woke up pissed off today. Maybe everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me. Smoking cigarettes on balconies. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone, you're on the other side. So when your tears fall down, but middle like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you scream and cry, then only you whisper, I'll be loud for you. Be loud for you.
Shout out to my girl. Time for the windshield wiping motion.
Lost you took a toll of me. But I made it with you next to me. Around the world and back again. I hope you're waiting at the end. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone, you're on the other side. So when your tears fall down, you know like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Okay, I should always prepare myself with wipes before I start filming. But I'm living for this eye. She's perfect. Just so you know, she's perfect. I'm just saying. But I think I'm gonna do this with a mirror and not the camera. But I don't know. I just looked at it in the mirror in the bathroom, and I am kind of living for this palette. I am gonna do a review here in a few moments, so when I'm done recording this. Alright, so I'm gonna do my eyelashes and everything off camera. I'm gonna put some mascara on and then some lips. Really simple since I have such bold eyes. And then I will be back.